Hi everyone, and welcome to my second airline, Air Canada Boeing 777-300ER. As you can see, there are 5 exits on each side. As you can see, there is a number on the landing tire and on the tail, and it's 732. And let's turn that over to the engines. As you can see, the engines are detailed. Flight number C-FITU. And now let's turn that over. As you can see, there's 3 of these on each side. And let's turn that over. As you can see, there's the cockpit there. And let's lift that over. As you can see, on this side, that's where the cargo door is, and one over there. And there is 14 landing tires. And now let's put that over there. And last time I had a Qantas A380, and now you can see it right there, and it's flight number VH1QA, flight from Sydney, Australia. So, thank you for watching. Bye!